Right, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on the pillar drill. I'm going to go through the safety features first and then how to use the pillar drill along with the machine vise that we've got down here. So a few safety features that we have. So number one, I've got a machine vise here set up. The way this works is you've got a handle here that you can tighten the material that you want to drill, like so. And that keeps your hands well away whilst you are drilling. So that is number one. Number two, we've got a guard that just swings across like so. And that stops us now from being able to get our hands underneath the drill. It keeps our hands right away. Now, in the exam, if it asks you, give 4 examples of health and safety whilst using the pillar drill, the best thing to do is set the guard to keep your hands away. Use the machine vise instead of holding it with your hands. Third thing, we have got an emergency stop here, and we also have an emergency stop down at the bottom here, which you can kick to turn off. So I'll give you a demonstration on that. So I'll turn it on using green. You can see that is now spinning. Turn it off. Or here, give it a kick, and that also turns it off. Okay. Right then. So looking at this is what a chuck looks like. So this is the chuck of the pillar drill. This is what holds the drill bit in place. Now, to open the chuck and remove the drill bit, you have to use something called a chuck key, and it looks like this. Now, there are different sizes for different models. This is the one that fits here, and you can see that the teeth of the chuck key fits perfectly with the teeth on the chuck. So you can see that's now connected. Anti-clockwise, give it a little spin, and you can see that that drill bit has fallen straight out, straight on the floor. And now I can change it for another one. So this is an 8mm drill bit. If I wanted a 6mm, I could change it as simple as that. Now, same thing needs to be done. So we put this back in, tighten the chuck like so, like that. And one safety feature, another thing that you can also say in an exam, is that you remove the chuck key. So once you've got the chuck there, you remove the chuck key, and I keep mine on the side there. Okay, so that is now safe. I close the guard like so. And all I'm going to do now, it's looking a little bit mucky actually, so I'm going to clean that up. There we go. There we go. What we're going to do now is just check the drill bit to make sure that it is spinning correctly. Yeah, that is absolutely fine there. Okay, so drilling. Using the machine vise, all you need to do is set it up like so, and then you turn the handle down just to check that it's reaching that cross. Now, that isn't actually hitting the cross at the moment, so I'm just going to move the machine vise. That's it. That's perfectly central now. Next thing I do is raise the drill up. I'm going to turn it on once again. And then place my other hand on the machine vise, making sure that it's secure, and pull the handle right down. And you will see that's drilled all the way through. Now I can let the handle go, like so, and the drill is back up. Turn it off, I can either kick it at the bottom here, or I could turn it off here. Done. Now, once it's drilled all the way through, you can untighten the machine vise, like so. Get rid of the sawdust, and there we go. We've got a hole straight through that piece of MDF. So that is the basics of a pillar drill. A few things there for you about health and safety as well. On top of that, I know you won't see it, but you wear an apron to make sure that loose clothing doesn't go into the machine. Tie your hair up if you've got long hair, and wear safety goggles on every single machine. You will find that information just next to the pillar drill. On top of that as well, I have put some new signs up explaining what the pillar drills on every machine we've got in this room does.